L2204, your budget blogger host. Subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 Top 15 leading candidates in Miss Playtime Universe Week 1. For our rank number 15, we have Miss Tacloban with 10,310 points. At number 14, Miss Universe Philippines Tarlac with 10,841 points. Number 13 spot is Miss Quezon Province with 10,983 points. And number 12, Miss Rizal with 14,046 points. Number 11 spot, Southern Leyte with 14,797 points. And now for our rank number 10, Iloilo City with 14,936 points. Number 9, Cebu City with 16,477 points. At rank number 8, Baguio City with 20,210 points. Number 7, Muntinlupa with 24,665 points. And of course, our number 6 rank is Miss San Jose with 25,563 points. Are you ready for our rank 5? And now let's give you our number 5, Miss Albay Alexandra Krishna Orino with 31,377 points. Number 4, Cebu Province, Nicole Borromeo with 31,417 points. Number 3 is Miss Taguig Isabella Rojas Ismael with 37,202 points. Rank number 2 is Miss Pampanga Alison Arceo Hetland with 40,876 points. And rank number 1 and leading in the competition is Miss La Union Bea Milian Windorski with 66,080 points. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Universe Philippines 2026 Top 15 leading candidates of Miss Universe Playtime. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for us to give you more updates. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.